Let me introduce myself. My name is Andika Bagas Fadillah, and I will deliver a presentation about the utilization of 3D printing in manufacturing companies. Slide 1. Abstract. This paper explores the application of 3D printing in manufacturing companies, examining its advantage, challenge, and potential impact on various industries. Through a detailed analysis of the current landscape, this research investigation how 3D printing is transforming traditional manufacturing process, its role in innovation, and its implication for chain management, product design, and product efficiency. The study concludes with recommendations for companies looking to integrate 3D printing technologies into their operation, highlighting future trends and technological advancements they may influence the industry. Next slide. Introduction. The purpose of this study is to examine how 3D printing is being utilized in manufacturing companies, its potential benefit and challenge, and its long-term implications for industry worldwide. By assessing case studies and recent development in 3D printing, the research aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of technology impact on manufacturing process and explore its future in industrial application. Next slide. Literature review. Recent advancements in 3D printing technology have expanded its application far beyond initial conceptualization. Several studies have highlighted how 3D printing is improving manufacturing capabilities in areas such as automotive, aerospace, healthcare, and consumer goods production. The ability to produce highly complex geometries with minimal waste has made additive manufacturing a viable solution for reducing material costs and lead times. Methodology. This research adopts a qualitative approach, gathering data from multiple sources, including case studies, industry reports, and expert interviews. The analysis focuses on companies that have successfully integrated 3D printing into their manufacturing process, evaluating both the technical and operational outcome. Data was also collected from academic journals, books, and conferences to provide a thorough understanding of the current state and future trends in 3D printing for manufacturing. Next slide-nya, result and discussion. Benefit of 3D printing in manufacturing. 4 points. Point 1, design freedom and customization. And point 2, cost reduction and material efficiency. Point 3, faster prototyping and time to market. Point 4, supply chain and on-demand production. And challenge and limitation. 4 points. Point 1, high initial cost. Point 2, material limitation. Point 3, quality control and standardization. Point 4, integration into existing system. Consolation and future direction. To overcome the current challenge, manufacturers must focus on further improving the performance of 3D printers, expanding the range of printable material, and developing new methods for quality control and standardization. In the long term, it's expected that 3D printing will become a mainstream technology in manufacturing, playing a crucial role in reshaping global supply chains and product development process. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you.